In this tutorial, we will be learning how to set up Sublime Text Editor C++ setup for competitive programming, or in general, even if you want to run a C++ file or program in this using the Sublime Text Editor, this is the right video. Particularly, we are configuring this for the Mac. So let us start with the Google, type Sublime Text Editor and download it. So click on the download OS X. They will ask you confirmation. Click on the allow. If you do not have Sublime Text 3 already installed into your computer, but if you have, like me, press cancel. So now let us begin. After you have installed Sublime Text 3, press on search, type Sublime and open Sublime, maximize it. Now let us create our C++ file. Click on file, click on save, type A or whatever name you want to give, a.cpp. Now let us save it somewhere. So let's create a new folder for this tutorial, like say Sublime build, no, Sublime setup. You can save this anywhere or name it anything, horse and a donkey or whatever. So let's name it Sublime setup and create. Now save a.cpp or your girlfriend's name.cpp or whatever and save. So now let us write a simple C++ program. Okay, so since this is used for avoiding standard semicolon thing. So now we want to run this program. So to run this program, you will have to create a build system. Go to tools and build system. If you have downloaded the Sublime, you will only see C++ and C++ single file. They will not work with your system's console properly, or they will not take in the input. To solve this issue, click on the new build system, erase this part. Now you have erased this part, then copy copy what I will give you in the description. So paste this code. This code I will submit to you in the description given below. So basically this code makes the new build system and gives instruction to the Sublime, as in from where to take input output, and that's it. If you want to use C++11, put your cursor over here, type 11. If you want to use C++14, put your cursor over here, type 14. If you want to use C++17, 17. Let us go with the 17 as of now. So now go to the file and save your new build system. So here you can see untitled.sublime build. Do not erase Sublime build, it is untitled. Give it whatever name you'd like to give, like tutorial. I'm giving, you can give anything. Tutorial C++17.sublime build. Do not change the path address, keep it as it is and click on save. That's it. First step got over. Now open a new tab by double clicking over here. Hey, what is happening? Cool. So now we want to create one new file, input.txt and output.txt. So this is our new file. Directly save it. No, I will give you a better option. You can make an horizontal vertical partition over here for input and output, and make a horizontal partition to separate input over here with the output over here. So let us learn how to do that. Go to the say view and then layout and then plus two columns. Now go to the again go put your cursor over here, again go to the tools, no, oops, view and then groups and type press new group. Okay, so that's it. This two files are not yet saved. Put your cursor over here, go to the file and press save. Type, rename it as input.txt. Now the very important step is that you will have to save this file where you saved a.cpp. You saved a.cpp inside the Sublime setup. By mistake, I have saved a.cpp outside the Sublime setup, but let's save everything inside the Sublime setup. Save input.txt into the Sublime setup. Similarly, save output.txt, put.txt inside the same Sublime setup folder. Okay, save. Now, I just made a mistake. I did not save the a.cpp inside the Sublime setup. So this is my a.cpp by mistake. I saved it into the outside the folder. So that's it. Now everything is within the same folder. This is much very important. Everything should be in the same folder. Now go to over here, type. I'm lazy. I won't type. But you need to type this code inside your file. So type these lines hash IFNTEF online judge, then two lines, then hash and if. Now whatever inputs you want to give, type the inputs into the input.txt. So here we have taken two inputs A and B. So let us type two space separated integers inside the input.txt. Let us see 7 space 77. Wow. Okay. So now let us print 7 plus 77 in the output.txt. How we will do this? We will do this with the build we just created. So make this the active panel, go to the tools, then select your new build system. What was the new build system? Yes, tutorial C++17. Then go to the tools again, then build, present build, which is command B. Okay, build. For the first time, they will ask you which to choose any, does not matter. Okay, and oh, let us create another file. They are showing the error because we just shifted our file somewhere else. Just name it b.cpp and Save it. Now this time, please make sure that you save it in the Sublime setup. See, send B, done. Okay, so you are good to go. Now go to the tools and build. So you can see that your output appeared over here. Hello, you are inside b.cpp. Give me two numbers. It took the two numbers from here and then outputted 84. To make it more clear, let us uh, only leave one new line. Again, build this using, I'm pressing Command B as a shortcut, Command B and new output. See, 84. If I change the value over here, like say 3, it should give me 10. Make this an active panel. Now Command B and see, it got converted into 10. That's it. You are ready to go. Now, some of you may ask, what if I want to solve an interactive problem in the competitive programming? Interactive as in you want to have the interactive input output by the order in which they are written in the code. So I will show you how to do that. Copy this code, make a new. Okay, so let us save this as a new c.cpp. I'm pressing Command S. You are inside C. Now, if you want to make this everything interactive, that is, you do not want to take input from input.txt and give your output and output.txt, but you want to take your inputs and give your outputs inside the terminal of the Mac OS. Follow this. Erase this line. Then for this you need to create a new build system. So new build system, tools, build system, new build system. Then type this code. I will give you this code in the description. Let's save it. So again, whichever version you want to use, suppose if you want to use C++ 14, then type 14 over here, or keep it 17. Again, file, save it. It is the untitled only, not the dot sublime build. Then name it to terminal build. Okay, whatever name you want to give, you are free to give. Save it, then you close it. Now go to the tools, build system, select this newly fresh build tutorial terminal build. See, now the tick appears in this. Now again press build, or see, a terminal window got opened. Hello, you are inside c.cpp. See, it is terminal window. Now, as of the code, you want to give two inputs. Let us type 4 space 5 and press enter. See, it output 4 plus 5 9, and the process got completed. Command Q and again switch to this window. So that's it. Now we know how to take inputs from the file and give outputs to the file using this tutorial C++ 17 build, and take input in the inside the terminal and give output in the terminal using this another build system we just created using this one, terminal build. That's it. Now you are good to go for your competitive programming journey. That was from my side, how to set up C++ setup inside the Sublime Text 3 for the Mac OS. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks. Goodbye.